Are you looking to add funds to your direct express card in 2025? You have come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll give you through the simple steps to ensure your card is loaded and ready for use. Let's dive right in. First, you will want to log into your Direct Express account. You can do this via their official website or mobile app. If you have not created an account yet, make sure to set one up by following the prompts. Once you are logged in, look for the Add Funds option in the main menu. This is where you can manage your money and load funds onto your Direct Express card. You will have several options for adding funds. Direct deposit. This is great choice if you receive government benefits for paycheck. Bank transfer. Link your bank account and transfer money directly. Cash load location. You can also add cash at participating retailers. Just find a location near you that offers this service. Then follow the instruction. Depending on which options you choose, follow the on-screen instruction carefully. For direct deposit, you may need your account number and routing number. If you loading cash, simply hand over your cash to the cashier and provide your card. Then confirm your transaction. After you have completed the steps, make sure to confirm your transaction. You should receive a notification or a confirmation email once the funds are successfully added. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you will have funds loaded into your Direct Express card, ready for use at stores or online. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Have any question? Drop them in the comments below. We will be happy to help. Thanks for watching.